We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
While the country might have moved on to different presidents, wilder celebrity breakdowns, and more advanced technology, flip phones somehow still remained. That's right. You can still buy and use them from online, phone carriers and even supermarkets like Walmart.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.